So this is a good spring task you can be getting on with now, and that's tidying up your grasses. Now, a week or two back, Elaine explained how to deal with the evergreen grasses, such as this one, the Steeper gigantea, and just pulling the dead out. But with the deciduous ones like this is a Miscanthus, Yakushimo dwarf. It doesn't look very dwarf now, does it? With these, you need to take them right back to ground level, cut all the dead off. And the way I do it is I put a bit of rope around it to start with, and I've actually pulled this back a little bit, so as I cut through, hopefully it'll tip that way. And I use a cordless hedge trimmer. This is a Ryobi one, which I find very good. Put my glasses on just to protect my eyes as I do this job. So I won't go all the way through because it'll be boring for you, but if you can just see, I'm cutting it off just a couple of inches above ground level here. Don't worry too much about cutting some of the green off. I mean, this is a grass, it's programmed to sprout again from the base. So I just carry on shearing the whole lot through. It'll be held together by my rope, and then that lot will be chopped up and go on the compost heap.